We are not changing the support locations, so there will not be any modification in the supports, and stress is not envisaged.
Okay,
Stress
the
analysis.
support locations you are keeping as it is.
Yeah.
Okay, flange lake, you have flange, so you have flange selection.
Yeah, flanges will be there. So cascade and flanges will be as per PMS.
Okay, overpressure. Okay, vehicle impact, drop object. You may have any drop object, right? So you have
No, there will not be any drop object because this small spool will not be that much weight, and all this in lifting will not be that much critical.
We can
Okay.
say it's a small bore piping replacement.
Okay.
So dropped object is
Okay,
not
so
an
in
issue.
this case, Rakesh, let us qualify the thread. You have internal corrosion, that is correct. External corrosion, painting. So for painting.
Painting, okay.
Place. For erosion allowance will be there, so that is standard. Overpressure, that is a standard, no problem. Are you going to do HAZOP also? HAZOP is there?
HAZOP, yes, right? HAZOP is there, right?
We will say HAZOP recommendations.
Yes, there is HAZOP.
HAZOP review, okay. And vehicle impact, any vehicle impact? I have put crash
No,
guard.
no. It's okay. Vehicle impact, okay. You can put crash guard. It's okay because it is within the fins and it's controlled, so it's okay.
Crash guard. Drop
Okay.
object not applicable?
Dropped object, delete that because
Rare. I'll say rare opportunity. Okay then. Okay. Structure failure, rare occasion.
structural failure is not applicable here, right? Because they are not
No
adding
structure.
any. You can delete that. straight
Okay,
away.
remove. And piping stress, it will be there.
It will be there, but you can say existing pipe supports will be utilized.
Okay, fantastic. So, guys, please, pay attention here. I think we are doing great. Let me know if I'm missing something because, and these are a safeguard and mitigation. You have got emergency response plan. FNG is there.
FNG is there, existing emergency response plan, FNG detection, fire protection.
Yeah, existing ERP.
ERP.
And passive fire protection.
PFP is also, PFP can take both active and passive fire protection.
Yeah, active and passive.
Active and passive we can take together.
And yeah, correct. And emergency response plan.